Hello, and welcome. I'm thrilled you're here, ready to explore the profound possibilities that lie within you. Today, we're going to get into a powerful concept, the idea that the universe is aligning itself to make you rich. It may sound bold, but it is the truth that you can harness to transform your life. Imagine waking up each day feeling the abundance that surrounds you, feeling as if every opportunity is aligning perfectly for you. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality waiting for you to accept it. You see, many people wander through life feeling limited, believing that wealth is something only a select few can attain. This belief often stems from conditioning, the ideas we absorb from our families, our environments, and society at large. But let's pause for a moment. What if I told you that your current beliefs about money and wealth are merely stories you've been told and accepted? What if you have the power to rewrite those stories, to create a new narrative where abundance flows freely into your life? The key to unlocking this potential lies within your mind. The way you perceive yourself and your place in the world profoundly influences the experiences you attract. The universe is responsive, it is always reflecting back the beliefs you hold. So, if you see yourself as someone who struggles with money, the universe will mirror that struggle back to you. However, if you begin to envision yourself as someone who is naturally abundant, who attracts wealth effortlessly, the universe will respond in kind. Imagine what it would feel like to shift your mindset. Start by taking a few moments each day to visualize yourself in a state of abundance. Picture what your life would look like with financial freedom. What would you do? Where would you go? Who would you share your wealth with? Allow yourself to feel the emotions associated with this visualization. The excitement, the joy, the relief, these feelings are essential because they align your vibrations with the frequency of abundance. The universe responds to these vibrations. To facilitate this shift, it's crucial to become aware of your thoughts. Are they predominantly negative or limiting? Do you often find yourself thinking about what you lack rather than what you desire? Awareness is the first step toward change. Begin to observe your thought patterns without judgment. When you catch yourself thinking negatively about wealth, gently redirect your thoughts to something positive. Affirmations can be powerful tools for this purpose. Simple statements like, "I am deserving of wealth," or "abundance flows to me effortlessly," can help reprogram your subconscious mind. Your subconscious is incredibly powerful, often running on autopilot and accepting the beliefs you feed it. This is why it's essential to be intentional with the thoughts you cultivate. The more consistently you affirm your worthiness and align your thoughts with abundance, the more your subconscious will accept this new reality as true. Over time, these new beliefs will reshape your perception, allowing you to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. As you begin on this journey of reprogramming your mind, note that gratitude plays a pivotal role. Gratitude is a magnetic force that attracts more of what you appreciate. Start each day by expressing gratitude for what you already have. This could be as simple as appreciating the comfort of your home, the food on your table, or the love of those around you. When you focus on gratitude, you shift your energy from lack to abundance, opening the door for more blessings to enter your life. Let's also talk about the importance of imagination. Your imagination is a powerful tool that can create your desired reality. Spend time visualizing your dreams in vivid detail. Don't just see yourself wealthy, feel it, taste it, and believe it. Your imagination can bridge the gap between where you are now and where you want to be. It is through this process of vivid imagination that you will draw the experiences you seek into your life. As you practice visualization and gratitude, you may start to notice synchronicities, those little coincidences that seem to align perfectly with your desires. These are not mere accidents, they are signs that the universe is responding to your intentions. Pay attention to these signs and act on them. Trust your intuition. If an opportunity arises that resonates with your vision, don't hesitate to seize it. The universe often communicates through subtle nudges, guiding you toward your dreams. Moreover, surround yourself with positivity. The people you associate with can influence your mindset and beliefs. Seek out those who inspire and uplift you, those who share similar aspirations for abundance. Engage in conversations that expand your perspective and challenge limiting beliefs. Another crucial aspect of attracting wealth is taking inspired action. While visualization and affirmation are vital, they must be complemented by tangible steps toward your goals. What actions can you take today that align with your vision of abundance? Perhaps it's investing in your education, starting a new project, or seeking out new opportunities. Even small actions can create momentum and signal to the universe that you are ready to receive what you desire. As you take action, note to remain open to unexpected opportunities. Sometimes, what we envision may not come to fruition in the exact way we expect. The universe often has a grander plan in motion. Be flexible and adaptable, allowing the universe to surprise you. Trust that everything is unfolding in divine timing, and be patient with the process. It's also essential to release any resistance you may have regarding wealth. Fear and doubt can act as barriers to abundance. Acknowledge any limiting beliefs you hold about money. Perhaps you believe that wealth is inherently evil, or that you don't deserve it. Challenge these beliefs and replace them with empowering ones. Understand that wealth is simply a tool that can be used for good, to create positive change in your life and the lives of others. Additionally, consider your relationship with money. How do you feel when you think about finances? If you find yourself feeling anxious or fearful, take the time to cultivate a healthier mindset. Money is a form of energy, and like any energy, it flows where it is appreciated and respected. Treat your finances with care, create a budget, and be mindful of your spending habits. This practice fosters a sense of control and abundance in your life. Moreover, integrate acts of generosity into your life. Giving, whether it's your time, resources, or support, creates a flow of energy that attracts abundance. When you give freely, you affirm that you have more than enough. This mindset not only enriches your life but also sets the stage for receiving more in return. Note, the universe is abundant, and there is more than enough for everyone. As you immerse yourself in these practices, don't forget to celebrate your progress. Acknowledge the small victories along the way, for they are steps toward your larger goals. Celebrating your achievements creates a positive feedback loop, reinforcing your belief in your ability to attract wealth. Each time you recognize your progress, you solidify your commitment to your vision. Another aspect worth exploring is the power of intention. Set clear and specific intentions regarding your financial goals. Write them down, visualize them, and affirm them daily. The more specific you are about what you want, the clearer the universe will be in delivering it to you. Your intentions act as a beacon, guiding the universe toward your desires. Let's also discuss the significance of alignment. As you focus on your intentions, ensure that your actions align with your values and aspirations. When your actions are in harmony with your beliefs, you create a powerful magnet for attracting what you desire. Aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions reinforces your commitment to your vision of abundance. You may encounter challenges along the way, and that's perfectly normal. Obstacles can be valuable lessons, helping you grow and refine your approach. When faced with challenges, take a step back and evaluate your mindset. Are you falling back into limiting beliefs? Use these moments as opportunities to recalibrate and strengthen your resolve. Throughout this journey, note that you are not alone. The universe is always conspiring in your favor, working behind the scenes to manifest your desires. Trust in this process and maintain a sense of faith. When doubts creep in, remind yourself of your inherent worthiness and the abundance that is your birthright. As you continue to cultivate your mindset and practice these principles, you will begin to witness the miraculous shifts in your life. The universe has an uncanny way of aligning circumstances, people, and opportunities in your favor. Stay open, stay aware, and remain receptive to the infinite possibilities that surround you. In closing, always note that the universe is indeed aligning to make you rich. Your beliefs, thoughts, and actions are powerful tools that can shape your reality. By thinking about the principles of visualization, gratitude, generosity, and intention, you open the door to abundance. Trust in your ability to manifest your desires, and know that you are deserving of all the wealth the universe has to offer. The journey to wealth begins within you. Think of it, and watch as the universe conspires to fulfill your dreams. Thank you for joining me today, and may your path be filled with abundance and prosperity. If you found value in this discussion, I encourage you to express your support by liking this video. Your feedback is essential to me, as it helps me understand what resonates with you and what content you want more of. Additionally, consider subscribing to my channel to stay updated on future insights and teachings that can guide you on your path to abundance. Share this journey with others by leaving a comment about your experiences and insights. I love hearing from you and learning about your unique paths toward financial freedom. Feel free to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our discussions, and together, we can explore more strategies to harness the power of the universe. Lastly, I appreciate your presence and participation in this dialogue. Let's continue to grow and expand our understanding of wealth and abundance together.